In this demo, I kind of just want to cover a few of the different use cases that are available with this system. Now, real quick before we get started, this system, we do take a modular approach where you could take a single use case or multiple use cases and combine them together if you want, or just use one by itself. But with having multiple use cases, you can actually connect those use cases to work together. You could also have the same use case multiple times if you have different campaigns, which we'll run into that here in a minute. So, always start off with a lead source workflow, right? We want to make sure that we're capturing leads. If we're capturing leads from five different places and they all need to go to different campaigns or different workflows, we typically will have set up a lead source workflow that will be able to accept all the leads in, and we'll be able to map out where we want those leads to go, or which workflows we want them to go to based off of where they came in. Now, within the AI system, there's a few pieces here, right? We have the base AI system that's going to cover a lot of the automations that happen in the background, and these are all things that really just go into every account just to make sure that things are working properly. We have AI messaging workflows. This is going to be your messaging module for your AI text messages and your AI emails. This one's loaded with a bunch of workflows as well. That's going to basically automate that conversation happening via text message or email. And that comes with several different workflows here as well. And then we have our use cases, right? So within this specific system, which is just a package that could be offered, um, is it's containing four different use cases, which are some of the most common ones that people use. So, new leads use case. So when new leads come in, being able to nurture those leads and book the appointment, live transfer, whatever you're trying to do there. Your reactivation campaign. So you can get, you pretty much see an immediate return on investment by being able to use the system to reactivate the clients. And if you're looking to resell this to other people as well, it's really good to get in the door, get a reactivation sequence going. So it's really easy for people to see that ROI almost immediately. And then your setter reschedule use case and your closer reschedule use case. Now, within each use case, and again, this is just a very limited number. There's many more use cases that are built out, and the use cases just continue to grow as time goes on. But within each use case, you can actually have multiple campaigns. Typically, we build up the ability for up to 10 different campaigns. Now, if you needed more, obviously that can be done. But you'll see based off of this. So, say we had five campaigns going, you'd see five different folders here that would show the W01 new leads use case, and then either campaign one, two, three, four, five, whatever it may be. So in this case, just for demo purposes, we have this one here. And then it has everything that goes with that one use case and that campaign. So every campaign has their own set of workflows that can all work by themselves, or you could use them in connection with other use cases and other campaigns as well. And then within the reactivation, same type of thing. You could have your different campaigns here if you want to run different types of campaigns, and they all have their own flows. Now, with each use case and each campaign, so all the way down to the campaign level, there'll be a set of workflows that come with it. There'll be a set of custom values that come with it. Some of them have their own calendars that they could book to, whether it be for the AI or the closers. But everything, again, can be used by itself, and it's very modular like. So if you have, if you're reselling this to somebody and you have customers that, hey, I want new leads, and then I also want um, appointment reminders. I also want collections, right, for collecting past due payments, whatever it may be, right? If they have different use cases, you could actually sell different use cases. Or if you're a business, right, and you're kind of just going with some of our pre-built systems, we can go in there and make that modular to whatever use cases that you need for your business. And again, they could work by themselves, or you can connect them up and they can work together.